stay together, man, for 48 minutes, man. It's going to be a lot of ups and downs. Play Miami Heat basketball, you know what we got to do, man. Together on three, 1, 2, 3, together.
We don't want it easy. All this we've been through this year. We rise to occasion. Let's get ready to do so.
Slot cut by James. Oh! He rose up. It's not quite winter for LeBron James.
Win the game. Win the game. That's all that matters. We said we were going to have to earn it. Let's go.
Horford, Oldfellow, pushing it, kicks it, Brogdon downtown.
Come on! That's what I'm talking about. Way to play. Good job.
Good luck to you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for making me better.
It's a closeout game. Make them feel up. Come on.
Look at Jokic. Magnificent.
We set a standard for how we know we can perform. That's what we did today. We set a standard going forward for how we know we can perform and should perform night in and night out.
But our goal was not to win the first round. What's our goal? We got to win a championship.
Family on three. 1, 2, 3.